Brother, I get to see your consistency. I get to see that energy. I get to see that effort. You could see that energy you are using in chasing that babe. That energy you are using in buying gift and all these things. Brother, I can see that consistency. I can see that energy. You could remember, if you look in the Bible, that Samson was very consistent. He was very consistent. Though people were telling him this, that. But he did not answer. He did not obey. He did not hear. So, please, channel your consistency and your energy the right way. I can see that consistency, brother. I can see that energy. Channel that little energy you have in following the right path. Because there are many Delilahs on the street. You get my point. Stay guided.